Hello, Randy Rain here, and check it out. I've got another goofy robot. This is the Bendabot. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
So yeah, basically this is a bump and go robot with some popoids connecting the joints here. And you know, interesting enough, popoids was created by TOMY, but TOMY never used their little popoid technology in robots. I think this one is late 80s, early 90s at best. It just seems like it's using the popoid technology after it's already been out of patent or something. I don't know. Let's see what's inside. So I have some popoid action to fix here. Maybe I can get inside there and poke it out. I don't know. We got screws on the back. This does that. I'm going to start with the back. Ooh, there's some extra popoidage down here. Looks like a light going into here. Let's see what's in here. Yep. Yep. It's really soft there for some reason. That one just might have to stay. See if this one can be fixed. Maybe I could put it in some hot water, soften it maybe? I don't know. I mean, it's definitely a thermal plastic. Got that one. Got them at least. What happens when I pull it open and try to put it back? It's nice. It's real nice. I mean, the battery looks like it's might not have ever been used. I don't really see any flat spots. This looks pretty good. That's another reason I don't think it's that old. There's no flat spots. Oh, look at there. They put that over. You dummies. 4 of them. Right along the seam. I gotta go try to see if a hairdryer can get these off without destroying them. But meanwhile, this is usually like clipped. We actually have screws holding it here. No, it's been used. It has definitely been used. And I'm not seeing any cracks. And look, there's a metal gear here. Mm. And there we be. See, there's metal gear in there. I mean, I never tested this thing. They just said it didn't work. So far, only thing I think is wrong with it is the motor just hadn't turned in a long time. I could have probably just hit it. Yeah, I don't see any bad gears. That's all metal. These are all big. Of course, I'm going to have a closer look, but I'm not seeing anything. Put some batteries in here, see what happens. Well, seems to be working. Go into here. I'm going to clean this crap up. What did that even do? Holy crap. Yeah, well, all right. Wow. Got it. I don't know what the hell that was connected to. It was connected to something. Oh, that was connected here. That's what makes the thing blink as this spins around. Okay, I'll clean that up. This is the kind you can open up. I just used some of this 3-in-1 oil. But I'm going to use some of this lithium grease, white lithium here. No. This seems to work pretty good. Yeah, a little 9-volt. All right, I've got it all cleaned up and all the gears are fine. That goes like that. This thing is for the switch. Make the light flash. This goes there. You gotta put this one there. Yeah. This is kind of a unique idea here. The motor is like that. I mean, it's not bad. You get a big old screw here. Then you just got this little thing. And there you go. So basically the switch is killing the negative, which is the way I would do it, because the negative is going to be the part that is doing electrolysis, and this is the side that corrodes, and so I want to stop it. I always kill the negative side. That smells terrible. It smells old. Burnt old. The other side of the motor goes straight to the positive. The other side of the light goes straight to positive. However, my light's not flashing because that's not being bent enough. This is the problem here. This is not touching that metal rod, so it needs to be bent in. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. No you don't. Uh-huh. What about them apples? Alright, there we go. You're a flashing now. This whole rim right here is screwed in. It's two pieces. Now it's down to all this disgustingness. Gross. I guess it matters what side. I put this in some warm water and I let it sit there for a while. And then I took it out and put it in the freezer. I don't know what that'll do, but maybe it'll help it keep its shape. That's as good as it's going to get. Alright, everything is clean. So I'll fish this light through, which may be a challenge. Now that I look at it, not that hard. Alright. They just use tape, so I guess I'll just use some tape as well. That went there. Like that. There's the back. Let's see. This would be this arm. Put the screw hole in the back. Okay. So there it is, the Bendabot. I mean, it's a goofy bot, and I like goofy bots, so I'm probably going to keep it, but it's going way up top. Anyway, you ready to see it in action? Well, here it is. I mean, it's a super fast bump and go robot. I mean, crazy fast. And it's actually kind of neat because it looks like it's gliding sometimes. But here's the only reason I'm keeping it. And that is if you pull these little popoid things out, you pull the head out and the arms, and you bend them and make it look like this, now it looks like it's having a meltdown. Error, error, malfunction, malfunction, error, error. So if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These are patrons. These are the people helping me out. These are the ones bringing you the goofy Bendabot from AB3, whoever in the world that is. So I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. So I thank them oh so very, very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there are links and there's perks and all that stuff. So please go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was
Bendy Robot Garage.